Hi dolls, welcome to Nailed It. Just like you read it on the title. Oh, by the way, my name is Lizzie G. Lizzie G. I'm going to recreate one design that I did in 2009 and now it's 2019. I've been watching this all over media, mostly Instagram, so I'm going to try to make it a little bit better or just like put a little twist on them. And for that I'm going to use this natural beautiful nude from Wet n Wild. That is the number right there. I think it looks really natural and gorgeous. I love this color. It's just like, it's kind of like your nails are naked. So I did that, and then I'm going to use a liner, black liner, a gold liner, and I'm going to use this glittery shade, Wet n Wild. It's kind of old, but it's really liquidy, you know, and transparent, so it's gonna look really good. So let's start with this recreation of my own design. Okay, so we're gonna start with taking this black. This is a regular black from Sinful Colors. I want to do like an accent nail, which is not one like 2017-18. Now I'm going to do this too. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to use this liner, the black liner, and I'm going to start doing those kind of leaf shape thingies. And the design that I did back in the day was with square nails, so I'm going to try to make them fit in this kind of shape. It's gonna be different, but we can make it work. So I'm going to start with this nail right here. And then I'm gonna take my gold and fill right in. Just to make it a little bit different, I'm going to draw lines here. Like that. And then with the same liner I'm going to draw little drops, little dots, like so. I used yellow on the last one, but I think it's gonna look better with just gold, black and gold. See? Alright, now with this glitter, I'm going to go over the black ones so I can tie everything together. Beauty. Look at that shine, it's beautiful. I'm going to finish the rest of the nails and I'll be right back. Alrighty dolls, here is the end result of my own recreation of my own design from 2009. I hope you guys like this. This is really simple, but it was really popular with my clients back in the day, and I just wanted to bring it back so I can make the hashtag 2019 versus 2009, or the other way around. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the new ones, and I see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big kiss. Mwah!